What if I told you within the next 5 minutes you'll be able to make the perfect creative real estate offer to any seller without any experience and for absolutely free by clicking here and making your free account? With the brand new Creative Real Estate Calculator, you input a few simple numbers from your seller and the perfect creative offer is made for you and is sent to your seller before you even get off the phone. Which means you'll be sending offers within weeks instead of in months or years, while saving countless dollars, avoiding the pitfalls of a guru, or figuring everything out on your own. Here, let me show you how your life as a creative investor will look. All you do is ask the seller a few questions to get the information needed for the deal calculator, such as their desired price, mortgage information, their maximum term length. Then click Calculate, and you instantly know the best creative deal strategy to use, or if it's even a potential deal at all. So you pick the best offer every time and only invest time with real prospects. Usually after getting these sellers' numbers, you'd have to get off the phone to spend a couple hours figuring out which type of offer to make and the specific numbers without any seller feedback, which requires knowing the rules and how to structure all 6 creative deal strategies. Then after all that work, you hope you didn't waste your time getting ghosted by the seller or structured yourself a bad deal. With the Creative Deal Calculator, all those months of training, critical thinking, deal structuring, and offer generation is done for you instantly. So it's like you're making offers like a 20-year creative real estate veteran in a second without any experience. You simply click your recommended deal structure and the best custom creative offer is made instantly to review with a seller that fits their property and goals. So you're always sending the best offer possible, which means you'll be hearing yes from sellers far more often. But each seller is a bit different, so you can even tweak these values in real time with the seller and scroll down to make sure it's still a good deal for both you and the seller. This means you're making the best win-win offers possible to sellers live on the phone with no experience required and never risk making a bad deal from not knowing the right deal structure or numbers. Now, after adjusting a couple numbers and talking over the deal, you have the seller saying yes to move forward. Usually, you'd have to hang up while the seller is the most interested, spend a couple hours writing up the paperwork, and hope the seller doesn't get cold feet. Not anymore. You simply click Send Offer to Seller and you have a personalized offer instantly sent to the seller from your email with the exact terms you agreed to. So you're able to make multiple offers a day to the seller at the best time possible, which means no more paperwork and a lot more accepted offers. Let's see what this looks like for your seller. You can see here the seller gets a text and email with your personalized offer to sign right from their phone. So you can review the offer easily while still on the call, which means you can now go from first contact to a signed deal with a seller in one single phone call instead of losing deals over days of back and forth. So, what are you waiting for? You've seen how with this one free tool, you'll be able to skip the months or years of expensive training and be able to send creative offers like a pro within the next 5 minutes without any of the risk and guesswork. Click below to sign up now and create your free trial account. But don't hesitate. To celebrate the launch of the calculator, we're letting only a limited amount of investors come try it out for free, and it is growing like wildfire. So click below and claim your free trial slot before we run out and start sending creative offers today.